How to add or remove ReadyBoost tab in Windows 10. ReadyBoost is a built-in Windows tool that gives older PCs a performance boost by using USB drives or SD cards as extra cache. It helps lighten the load on your system and speed things up, especially when RAM is limited. However, a little known fact about this software is that it can actually slow things down. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up or remove ReadyBoost in Windows 10. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to add or remove the ReadyBoost tab step-by-step guide. To add, press Windows key plus R to open Run. Enter Regedit to open the Registry Editor. Go to H key, Classes, Root, Drive, ShellX, Property Sheet Handlers. Right-click on and select Delete. Confirm and close the Registry Editor to save the changes. To remove, open the Registry Editor again using the steps earlier. In the address bar, go to H key, Classes, Root, Drive, ShellX, Property Sheet Handlers. Right-click on Property Sheet Handlers, choose New, Key, and name it. Close the Registry Editor to apply the changes. Can I use the command prompt to add or remove the ReadyBoost tab? You can't add or remove the ReadyBoost tab using command prompt, even as an admin. It's only possible through the Registry Editor, where system settings like ReadyBoost are stored. What is Windows ReadyBoost? ReadyBoost is a Windows feature that lets you use a portion of a USB drive, SD card, or other removable storage to boost system performance by caching frequently accessed data, helping your PC run faster, especially if you have limited RAM. Originally launched with Windows Vista in 2007, ReadyBoost is most helpful on older PCs, but it's unnecessary if your computer already has a solid-state drive, SSD, which is much faster. Troubleshooting ReadyBoost issues. If you encounter any problems with troubleshooting ReadyBoost, here are some quick fixes. How do I restore the ReadyBoost tab manually? If the ReadyBoost tab is missing, it could be due to an incompatible USB drive, an outdated USB driver, or having an SSD, which makes ReadyBoost unnecessary. Newer Windows versions are also phasing it out. If needed, run sfc/scan now in command prompt to check for system file issues. How do you fix the "this device cannot be used for ReadyBoost" error? This error usually appears when your USB drive isn't compatible with ReadyBoost. To fix it, make sure the drive meets the minimum requirements. How do I check if ReadyBoost is working properly? Go to your ReadyBoost drive, right-click and select Properties, then open the ReadyBoost tab and ensure Use this device is selected. You can also open Performance Monitor to check if data is being cached in the readyboost.sf cache file. ReadyBoost helped boost performance on older systems using flash drive storage, but SSDs have made it mostly unnecessary on modern PCs. For better long-term results, consider upgrading your RAM, installing an SSD, or optimizing virtual memory. For more information, check out our official blog post on Windows ReadyBoost, linked in the description below.